Hey everyone, today I've got something super exciting to share with you. Imagine finding a niche on YouTube that could not only bring you a ton of views, but could also help you start earning real money in no time. Well, I've discovered one of the most promising and high-demand niches out there. Health content is incredibly popular on YouTube and TikTok because people are always looking for easy tips and advice to help them stay healthy. And if you can deliver that in a simple, engaging way, there's huge potential for going viral. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can start creating AI-powered health videos that will allow you to jump into this niche and grow your channel fast. And the best part is that you don't need any advanced editing skills or tons of video production experience. With the power of AI, you can easily make these high-quality viral videos in just a few minutes. Just like this channel with over 500,000 subscribers only posted 54 videos and earning over $8,000 a month simply by posting straightforward health videos. So if you're ready to get started and learn how to create health content that can go viral, grow your channel, and generate real income, then watch this video to the end. I'll show you all the steps and tools you need to make it happen. Now let's dive in. To get started, we need a script packed with informative health tips that'll keep viewers educated, and we're going to use ChatGPT to generate the script. Go over to ChatGPT and type in this prompt. Imagine you're a health expert sharing 5 valuable wellness tips centered on a specific fruit or healthy routine. These tips should be practical, informative, and highlight the benefits in detail. Within seconds, ChatGPT will start generating a detailed response with wellness tips that are practical, informative, and full of health benefits that viewers love to learn about. Once you get the list of tips, read through them to make sure it's what you want so you can pick and choose the tips you prefer for your video. Once you have your script ready, it's time to bring it to life by creating a polished, engaging video using Vidnaz. Go over to your browser and search for vidnaz.com. Click on Create Free Video Now to set up an account. If you're new to the platform, once you're logged in, you'll land on the Vidnaz dashboard, then click Avatar and scroll down to explore a variety of options. Vidnaz offers several avatars to choose from, each with a unique look. But since our video is about health, we will need a doctor avatar. Continue scrolling until you find the perfect doctor avatar you want for your video. Once you've made your selection, click Create Video and choose your preferred video format. Then click Create Video again to launch the editor. Now switch back to ChatGPT, where we generated our health tips script, and copy the script. Then head back to Vidnaz and paste it into the prompt box. Next, click on the voice option to explore different voice styles. Take your time listening to each voice. There are various accents and tones, so you can choose one that best matches the personality of your avatar. Once you've previewed and selected your favorite voice, it's time to set the scene with a relevant background. Now click on Background and scroll through the available themes until you find the health and medical category. Vidnaz offers a range of backgrounds tailored for health and wellness videos, so you'll have several to choose from. Once you've picked a background that fits your content's tone, select it, then go ahead and click Generate, and Vidnaz will start processing your video, transforming all these elements into a cohesive and polished piece of content. Once Vidnaz finishes producing the video, you can preview it to see the final product. Take a good look and watch how smoothly the avatar delivers the tips. Now you've created a professional quality health video. Simply download it to your device. The next step is to get background music for our video, and we'll be using Stream Beats to get free, non-copyrighted music for our video. Open up your browser and searching for streambeats.com. Once you're on the homepage, click on Download Track File to access a collection of royalty-free music. Stream Beats is a fantastic platform because it offers a variety of high-quality tracks in different genres, so you can find music that truly matches the tone of your video without worrying about copyright issues or licensing fees. Go through the album slowly and take a few minutes to explore different options. Once you find a track that complements your video perfectly, go ahead and download it to your device. Our final step is to add captions and background music we downloaded to our video. We'll be using CapCut, a versatile video editor that's perfect for adding the finishing touches. Open up CapCut. Click on New Project and import your video. Next, click on Aspect Ratio and select whichever platform you plan to upload your video on, ensuring it's optimized for your audience. Now let's make the video more engaging by adding some dynamic effects. Begin by splitting the clip and adding a keyframe at the beginning of the first clip. Then go to the end of the clip. Stretch it a little to add another keyframe. This creates a subtle zoom effect. You can apply this zoom effect to the other clips or stretch them slightly to maintain visual interest. Or if you want to take it a step further, CapCut has a range of video effects that can make your video truly unique. Now let's add captions to enhance accessibility and engagement. Click on Text, then select Auto Captions. You'll be able to choose from a variety of templates to style your captions, and once you click, Generate CapCut will do the rest. When the captions are ready, they should align nicely with your voiceover. Adjust the size and position of the captions to ensure they're clear and visible. Next, let's add the background music we downloaded from Streambeats. Import the track, then reduce the volume slightly so it doesn't overpower the voiceover, keeping the balance just right. Now with everything in place, click on Export. Set the resolution to 4K for the best quality and download your finished video to your device. And that's it. You've now created a high-quality, engaging health video. Now let's take a look at the final result.
Drinking warm lemon water first thing in the morning helps jumpstart digestion, rehydrates your body after sleep and boosts metabolism. Lemons are high in vitamin C, which helps combat free radicals, and their alkalizing effect helps balance your body's pH levels, supporting an immune boost.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section.